How is everyone doing? I hope you are having a wonderful day. I am sorry, I feel a little bit under the weather, a little bit sick. So I'm going to try to teach you 20 more irregular past tense verbs. We are right now studying the 100 most common. So let's do 20 more from number 45 to 65. Are you ready? Let's go. Hi everyone, welcome back. I changed my clothes and I am drinking a lot of tea with lemon and honey, and I am feeling much better. Still a little sick. I have a headache, a little bit runny nose, but I feel much better. And I'm very happy that you are continuing to study with me. So let's look at number 46 to 65. Understand, understood. So you can sit or stand, right? Sit or stand. Here, understood. So stand, stood. Did you understand the question? Yes, I understood it. Did you understand the teacher? Yes, I understood what she said. Blow, blow, blue, like the color blue. Question, did your son blow out the candles on his birthday cake? Yes, he blew out all the candles. Maybe you are familiar with this. These are called dandelions, and often children will blow them. Dandelions. So blow, blew. Yes, he blew out all the candles. I blew a dandelion. Draw, drew. So paint is a little different. Paint we use with brushes, right? Let me find a photo for you. This we use to paint. These are paint brushes. To draw looks like this. This is to draw. So draw, drew. Drew is also an American name for a man, Drew. My cousin married a man named Drew. So draw, drew. What did the artist draw? The artist drew a beautiful picture of you. Excuse me, I'm going to drink some tea. Okay, fall. You know me, I am clumsy. Caroline falls all the time. In the morning, in the afternoon, at night, all days, all times. Fall, fell. How did you fall, Caroline? The doctor asked me. I tell him, I rode my bike on the mountains and I fell off my bike. So fall off, you can say fall off a bike, fall off a horse, right? Anything that you ride. You ride and you fall off. Feel, past tense, felt. When did you feel happy? I felt happy when I saw my students improving their English. Always makes me very, very happy. Grow, grew. When did you grow tomatoes in your garden? Oh, I grew tomatoes last week. The plants, they grew 2 feet. You can also use this verb to talk about children. My children grew quickly. They are very tall now. Or a company with money. The company grew fast. Now they are double in size. Maybe 2 years ago, the company had 100 employees. Today, the company has 200 employees. The company grew and doubled in size. Set, set. Set the table means you prepare the table. Okay? So if I say, my daughter set the table before the guests arrived for Thanksgiving dinner. She put the plates, she put everything together. So let me show you. Set the table. Looks like this. At a restaurant, you prepare the table, you put the plates, you put the knife, the napkin, the fork, the spoon. This is to set the table. No. Same pronunciation as yes and no. No. Past tense, new. Like old and new. This K is silent. Did you know the answer? Yes, I knew it. How did you know that you loved your wife or husband? Oh, I knew the moment I met her. That is so romantic. The men in my class. If you have partners with wives, you should say that. Romantic. Okay, swim. Past tense, swam, swam. When did you swim? I swam in the freezing ocean. California is beautiful and it has wonderful weather. But the water, the Pacific Ocean, is so cold. Freezing. So you have cold. Freezing is even colder. Okay. Throw. Threw. So we know catch, caught. Now throw, threw. The football player threw the ball. We also remember from our medical vocabulary throw up, which means to vomit. This is an example of a phrasal verb. So if we say the man drank too much alcohol and he threw up in the car. Oh no, that's not good. Throw up. Win, won, like the number 1. When did you win the soccer game? Oh, I won last week. My team won first place. We won a trophy. This is a trophy. If you win first, second, or third place, you have a trophy. Bet. Think of like gambling, like Las Vegas. So bet, bet. When did you bet money at the casino? The man bet $50,000 and he won $1 million. He won a lot of money. Shoot, shot. Think about with a gun, shot. So what did the hunter shoot? He shot a bird. Shot. Freeze, froze. Think of freeze, freezer, right? In your refrigerator, freezer. You want to make something cold, like ice. So I froze the chicken in the freezer because I want to save it for next week. I don't want to cook chicken today, tomorrow, or the next day. I want to cook a chicken meal next week. So I froze the chicken. The other way you can use freeze is when officers say, freeze, don't move. You don't move, right? Freeze like you're ice. You don't move. So the thief ran away from the police. The officer screamed, freeze. So officers don't scream froze, they say freeze. But you can say the thief froze. The thief froze when he saw the police. He froze. He was scared. Okay. Spread. Spread means something does not stay in one place. It moves like fire. If you start a fire, it doesn't stay here. It goes everywhere, right? So the fire spread throughout the forest. Spread, spread, no change. The coronavirus, COVID virus, spread around the world, right? Last year and this year, it is still a big problem. Also, think about when you eat breakfast and you have bread, toast, and you put butter or peanut butter. You spread it on the bread, right? See, you spread the butter or peanut butter on toast. Okay, quit. What is the difference between quit and if your boss says you're fired? If you are fired, that is not your choice. The company tells you you can't work there anymore. If you quit, that is your choice. You choose to leave. Okay? So quit, quit. Why did you quit your job? I quit because my boss was always rude. Or I quit because I found a better job opportunity. Sometimes I ask my friend, oh, how did you quit smoking? My friend smoked cigarettes all day, every day, 24/7. It was a problem. He said, I quit smoking for my children. He said, good answer. He thought about his children and he said, I want to stop smoking cigarettes. Okay, put means to move something. Put, no change. So can you put the flowers on the table? Yeah, no problem. I put the flowers on the table next to your books. Put. Right. Same pronunciation as right hand, right. Past tense, wrote. When did you write your friend or family a letter? I wrote my best friend a letter 2 weeks ago. Today we have cell phones, text messaging, FaceTime, all of that. And it is wonderful. But I always I love handwritten letters. I love when people write me letters. Final one, withdrawal. Draw, we know this one, draw, drew, withdrew. There are 2 ways to use this. You can use it to talk about money, or you say from drugs. So, how much money did you withdraw from the ATM? Oh, I withdrew $20 from the ATM. I take $20 out of the machine, out of my bank account. Drugs can be anything. Caffeine, sugar, alcohol, any drugs. If you drink coffee with sugar 3 times a day for 6 months, one day you stop drinking coffee. You quit sugar and coffee. Now your body is withdrawing from the sugar and coffee. You may have headaches. So you can say, I withdrew from caffeine. All the sugar, all the energy, I withdrew from the caffeine, meaning no more. So these are the 20 next irregular verbs I would like for you to study. If you have any questions or need any help, please ask me. You're doing a fantastic job. After this, we have 35 left. We're almost there. Keep up the amazing work. And if you need any help, just write a message to me in the comment section. Thank you, everyone. Bye.